dust. I just wanted you guys to hear how loud the cold start is on a V8 BMW straight pipe. Listen to that thing, it's loud. Here, let me put you guys around here. Alright, well, camera ain't working. So we'll check this out here. Now you see, what a lot of people probably don't tell you about this car is Al Capone used to have one of these. Tupac was killed in one of these. It was also used in The Bourne Supremacy and a couple other movies, good movies too. I forget, but it truly is a really good car. It's been very dependable for the last 2 years. And this car is just, it's awesome. It's fun. It's a good family get around, good grocery getter, and it fires up and runs for me every time. She's beautiful, as you can see. And when they said this is BMW's most dependable, they meant it. I don't know what BMW did different with the M52 2U, but it's way better than them 6 cylinders. Them 6 cylinders get all kinds of leaks and everything. But you know, as you can see, she's all good. She's nice. She's dirty right now, but it'll be alright. Alright. Please like and subscribe this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one.